Prema from Back to Branch. So today we are making a recipe of French toast. So for the ingredients here I taken, this is 4 slices of the bread, half glass of the milk, 2 egg, salt to taste, pepper powder. For this we are using a cooking oil. Either you want to use the butter also, we can use a butter. So first we can do for the beat the egg. So first we can here beat the egg.
21 hours charge. 50 to 80. 21 hours charge. Any brand 21 hours charge.
So for this, I can add further.
One time charge ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 1 hour charge ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1 hour ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ 1 hour charge 21 hours ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
So as per your taste you can add it.
Any mobile TV connect ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Milk you can add.
TV, laptop ಎಲ್ಲದೂ connect
So
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
just you can beat nicely for this.
What's the bearing?
So now I can use for the slices will be deep downs. So we can take the slices. For this, just we can apply little bit oil on the tawa. Just we can grease it this. So similar we can make it for the 4 slices. See finally ready for stuffing of this. So this is now I can use it for the high grill rack with the multi cook pan. So because here the egg wants to cook along with the bread get brown. So that's the reason we are using for the combination 2 for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes we can turn the slices. So here I can keep it. So just here we can go for the grill combination 2. Set the time for 5 minutes. 5 minutes start. So after the 3 minutes we can turn. So that time it will become for the both the side browning efficiency. So now it's 3 minutes is done. Now we'll open. It cooks nicely for us. Okay. So just we can turn the pieces here. Keep it back again. Continue for that time. So last 10 seconds will be there.
Yeah. 12 seconds. Stand.
Now the French toast is ready. So just add it for the 1 spoon of oil. The extra oil comes out on this. So this it will be for the soft and fluffy. See, it comes to the both the side the browning efficiency will become. So you can just have a look. So this you want to cut nicely also. It comes. See. Okay. Thank you.